How to restore files from offline file cache. Hi, I recently did some updates to my computer and in the process I accidentally deleted a lot of files I had saved on a network NAS that I need back. Things is I had these files set up as offline files in Windows 7. I was wondering if there was any way to restore full uncompressed file from the offline file cache stored on the C drive. I have found some articles that indicate there is a way using a CCSMD tool or something like that, but I've also seen things that indicate that the tool won't work for Windows 7. Any help will appreciated. Thanks. Welcome to the Microsoft community. As per the problem descriptions, you want to recover the deleted files. I will help you with this issue. I would suggest you to follow the step from this article. Recover lost or deleted files. You can search for any third party applications to recover the lost files using your favorite search engine. Note: using third party software, including hardware drivers, can cause serious problems that may prevent your computer from booting properly. Microsoft cannot guarantee that any problems resulting from the use of third party software can be solved. Using third party software is at your own risk. Hope this helped. Let us know if you need further assistance with Windows related issues. We will be happy to help. Was this reply helpful? Yes or no? Thanks for the reply. I'll give this a shot when I have a chance, hopefully tonight or tomorrow. Going back to my original question, I want into the CSS folder and CSC folder where all the offline files cache is, and all my files and folders structured were there. Does the method use posted above relate to this, or is there another way to restore the full files from the CSC folder? Unfortunately, using the previous version's options didn't work. When I went to that option on the folder, I need to set that no previous version existed, and that previous version doesn't work with offline files. Any ideas restoring the files from the CSC folder?